Today we discuss about some important images of anesthesia. Firstly, this is nasal cannula, through which we can give oxygen up to 6 liters per minute. Nextly, this is nasal catheter. This is a single lumen catheter which is lodged into the anterior nares by a foam collar inserted to just above the uvula. This is anatomical face mask, which is constructed by number of substances like black rubber or clear plastic. It has variety of size or shapes because no one will fit in every face well. This is Venturi mask, which is based on Bernoulli principle. Venturi devices are color coded devices and give different oxygen flow rate to provide different desired oxygen concentration. This is non-rebreathing face mask, which have one-way valve between mask and bag and an exhalation port. It give highest possible FiO2 without intubation, can give up to 100% FiO2. This is tracheal tube used in tracheostomized patient. Next is high flow nasal oxygen therapy. This is important therapy in this pandemic situation in COVID patients who are spontaneously breathing and require high FiO2. Next, ECMO or extracorporeal membrane oxygenation. This is also used in seriously critical COVID patient. This is different sizes of laryngoscopic blade. Laryngoscopic blades are mainly two types: curved Macintosh blade, mainly used in adult patient, and straight Miller blades, which are used mainly in children's. Next, endotracheal tubes. It has different varieties. It may be cupped or uncupped. This is cupped endotracheal tube. This cup is low pressure and high volume cup which can prevent aspiration. Endotracheal tube have a extra opening named Murphy's eye. This is uncupped endotracheal tube used mainly in children's. Next, this is flexometallic tube. We can king this tube, so it is used in head, neck and ENT surgeries. Next image is of RAA tube, which is also used in head neck surgeries. It has two varieties, nasal and oral variety. Next image is of double lumen endotracheal tube. It is used in endobronchial intubation. Next image is bougie. Bougie used in intubation to provide extra strength to endotracheal tube. This is an image of metallic stylet. It has same use like bougie. This is an image of McGill forceps. McGill forceps is used in case of intubation. Next image, this is a image of video laryngoscope. Goodell's oropharyngeal airway. It has different sizes and different colors. The length of Goodell's oropharyngeal airway we measured by length of from angle of mouth to tragus or angle of mandible. We use it for prevent tongue fallback. Next, nasopharyngeal airway. We can also use it for prevent tongue fallback. This is a image of fiber optic bronchoscope. We can use this device in case of difficult intubation. Next image is image of cricothyrotomy kit. It has different instruments like scalpel, cup TT tube of 6 mm size a bougie, a carved caliphate shape, and a tracheal hook. We can use cricothyrotomy in difficult airway patients. Next, images of supraglottic devices. This is a image of laryngeal marks airway of classical type. Next image is image of Procil LMA. It have a suction port for stomach decompression for prevention of aspiration. Next image is image of intubating LMA. Next, LMA Supreme. It is second generation gastric access device which forms a effective first seal with oropharynx and second seal with upper esophageal sphincter. This is a image of iGel. Thank you. Please subscribe, share and like the channel.